Okay, number 7 was talking about circle the common factors, and now that they have it, they're putting in letters with it. Okay, and you guys know finding the greatest common factor, but this is what's different. Normally you guys are used to, okay, so our numbers were 18W and 30WZ. Most of the time you guys were used to, let's say the 18, it would be like 1 and 18, 2 and 9, finding the factors, right? But you need to change it like I told you yesterday. We're going to use the prime factorization. So if I have 18W, I'm going to use the prime factorization of it. So I'm going to do 2 and 9, and then factor out the 9, which is 3 and 3. I'm going to do 30. Now I'm not done yet with 18. I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to do 3 and 10. Then I'm going to do 2 and 5. So for 18W, the factors are 2 times 3 times 3 times W, because there's one W. For 30WZ, it is 2 times 3 times 5 times W times Z. Circle what they have in common. They have 2's together, they have 3's together, and they have W's. If I'm going to ask for the greatest common factor, I would take, because of the 2's, it's 2 times 3. What's 2 times 3?
6.
So it would actually be 6W is the greatest common factor.
I got 6.
Okay? But
It just says
it's just asking common factors. Okay? So can both of these be divided by 6?
Yes.
Yes. Can both of these be divided by 6W?
Yes.
Yes, because they both can be divided by 6 and they both have a W.
Roll
Can they
3Z.
be- Now, what letter don't they have?
X.
Okay?
Or Z.
Right, the 18 doesn't have the Z, but neither of them has the X. 3Z.
No.
No, because 18 doesn't have a Z. 3W.
Yes. Yes.
Z.
No.
No, because 18 doesn't have a Z. 10W?
No.
No, because I can't take 18 divided by 10. What about just W?
Yes.
Yes.
That is why we use the prime factorization of it. Number 8. Now we're finding the greatest common factor of 24M and 16MN. So I'm going to start with 24. I'm going to factor it out. 2 and 12.
Can you bring it up a little bit?
You're good.
Thank you. And then 3 and 4. 2 and 2. It doesn't matter which ones you use, as long as you get down to that. 16, 4 and 4. Then 2 times 2. 2 times 2. So there are all our prime numbers. So then I'm going to start with 24M. Put a colon. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times M.
Yeah.
Then 16MN is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2
Times
times
M.
M times N. It needs both of those. So we have the 3 2 times 2 together
And the M.
and the M's. Now if you would write it, you'd write 2 times 2 times 2 times M, but you can't just tell me it's 2 times 2 times 2 times M. And some of you are going to think, oh, okay, I'll just put 2 cubed times N. You can't leave it like that either. What is 2 cubed?
8.
So it would be 8.
M.
M is your final answer. You know, go ahead and